Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and wish you have a good day today. My name is Akma Binti Idriss and I'm studying for a Bachelor of Marketing at Universiti Utara Malaysia. I did my internship for 4 months under the marketing department at Visual Instrument and System Innovation VC, which is located at Kelana Jaya, Selangor. Thank you to VC because let me end my internship with a great knowledge, experience and memories. As for today's video, I would like to share my internship journey at VC. I have learned so many new things and other positive values that I thought that I will never get this chance to experience this at other place. In this video, I would like to highlight a few things that I've learned during my internship at VC, and I hope that everyone can benefit from it. First, I learned a new marketing strategy that I still remember until now because it was my first lesson from my supervisor, which is Sales Qualified Lead (SQL) and Marketing Qualified Lead (MQL). To sum up, Sales Qualified Lead or SQL is a prospective customer that has been researched by an organization marketing department and sales team. It is deemed ready for the next stage in the sales process. As I understand, SQL has displayed intent to buy a company's product and has made an organization's lead qualification criteria that determine whether a buyer is the right fit. Next, a marketing qualified lead or MQL is a lead who has indicated interest in what a brand has to offer based on the marketing efforts, or in otherwise more likely to become a customer than other leads. They are more likely to be receptive to a sales pitch than a normal lead. The main difference between a marketing qualified lead MQL and sales qualified lead SQL is the lead's perceived willingness to make a purchase. Just like marketing qualified leads are very curious, while sales qualified leads are leads handed off to the sales because they are considering a purchase. As we know, there are various marketing strategies that you and I might know. For example, FOPI, SWOT, TOS, and STEP analysis. Those are very common strategies that every marketer should know. But then, we need to identify which marketing strategy really fits in the industry that we work on. Because at the end of the day, the function strategy itself to increase the industry revenue. Another thing that I realized is during my study, we do learn all of these marketing things, but we just do not practice all. So I couldn't imagine how all of these things work. But during my internship, after my supervisor explained to me in a very detail how it works by making the company itself as an example, it really made me realize that it is not easy to work on even for one marketing strategy. So for sure, if you have a knowledge but you never experience it, it will never open your eyes to how it actually works in a real deal. Second lesson that I learned is how to write a good copywriting or content to post on social media. So I'm going to share with you. There are 2 ways that I learned from my 2 supervisors. So the first way is your content. In your content, you must have these 2 important things, which is offer and benefit. So what it means by offer is in whatever business you are doing, you must state or clarify what you are offering to the audience. This is because to help the audience get the idea what you are selling or what you are trying to deliver. So the audience is aware of what we work for and what the company does. What I mean by benefits is whatever business you're doing in your copywriting or content, you must show to the audience what is the benefit that they will gain. This is because it helps our audience to have a better view and understanding on what we work for. On the other hand, the reason we should state the benefits in the contents is because to make the audience feel that they had it written or something that they can have it. For me, if in the content you keep sharing what you sell or what you offer without mentioning the benefits, it might make the audience less interest because they couldn't imagine, they couldn't understand or even feel the rewards, or we can say the benefits itself. So if that is so, you will just make the audience think that you just want to share your thoughts or you are just doing it for fun. You are not going to make the audience get in touch with you. So for the first way is, it is not only applicable in engineering, information technology, and etc., but it is applicable in every industry and business. From small to big business can be used this way. So bear in mind offer and benefit. Next, the second way to have a good copywriting or good content in order to catch the audience attention is we can have a problem and solutions in the content. So what I mean by problem is we should state the problems that occur in the current business or situations. This is because we want to make sure that the audience realize the business that we work on is something related to the current problem. By that, we will raise the audience interest towards the business organizations. Second is solutions. Since we have mentioned a current problem, we should come out with the solutions. We can't mention directly or indirectly what the solutions for the problem are. If directly, we can mention what are the exactly products or service that we offer to solve the problems, or indirectly we give the ideas solutions but still related with the products or service the company. We just do not mention what exactly the products are, or actually we can call this as a soft selling. So this is what I learned during my internship. Then, the other experience that I gained is I had a chance to lead 2 projects during my internship, which are decoration raya office and a virtual activity among the staff. It was assigned from the human resource department. It might look like just a small project to others, but for me, it's a cool project, and I take it as a way to strengthen the relationship and get to know more about the staff and other intern students. During the decorations, I was helped from the senior staff itself to decide the decorations office. Besides that, I am grateful because I start to have a good relationship with other staff in the office. For me, having another task that is not related to my course, but it is actually helped me to be a multitasking person. As we know, multitasking refers to the ability to manage multiple responsibilities at once by focusing on one task while keeping track of others. Then, by being a multitasking person, it helps me to increase my daily productivity, where you can accomplish more in a shorter period of time. I always thought this. The more work I accomplish throughout the day, the more productive I am. Because I already have a plan, what to do first, what to do later, and so on. Then, I also feel like multitasking will reduce delay in our tasks, because when you can complete more than one task at a time, it's actually a feeling of productivity that increase motivations and encourage me to working on my tasks when I have several tasks. During my internship, I learned another positive value from my supervisor, and I really take this seriously and opened my eyes. She taught me to learn to ask people or keep asking people whenever you don't understand or you have no idea what is going on. Things that make me realize is when she said there is no such as stupid questions. When you say you don't understand, it means you don't understand. You ask people because you know the person could help you. So during my study, I really ask people because I'm scared people will get annoyed by the questions. So what I do is I try my best to find the answer by myself. Then it made me realize you could do better and get the task done and solve quickly. So whoever watched this video, please keep asking people, and if you are scared to ask, start from now. Please learn to ask. Before I end my video, I'm glad to say that Visual Instrument and System Innovation is the best company for students who are going to do their internship. VC will make sure that all the interns and their internship journey with knowledge, a great journey, and utilize all skills in the company. I wish that I had the same vibe as what I experienced at VC when I work with another organization someday. Thank you.